Today we are going to be talking about soap and soap alone, good soap that you need to try out in 2022 and that is going to make your skin glow, soft, radiant, beautiful, hydrating and all that. So without further ado, let us dive into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Promoted Sandra. So if you are new to my channel, hi. If you are not, hello. So here on my YouTube channel, I do everything related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle and skincare. So if you find this interesting, do want to join the family by subscribing, turn on post notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So if you end up enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button. So today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you best affordable facial soap for glowing and soft skin that you need to try out in 2022. So this shout out goes to Simply and Brain. Thank you very much for your beautiful and nice comment on my post. Guys, go and check out our channel. You're definitely going to like what she does, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let her know you are from Promoted Sandra. So guys, if you want me to give you a shout out on my channel, do well to check the description section for that, and I'm going to be doing that. Okay, the first facial soap that I have here with me is the Dudu Osun soap. So if you'll be following me up, you're going to see where I talk much on this Dudu Osun soap. This Dudu Osun soap is what I use currently on my face. But one thing about this Dudu Osun soap is that if you already have a dry skin, try as much as possible to avoid this by all means. But even if you want to use it on your dry skin, probably if you have, because it works perfectly for pimples, acne. If you have acne, you have pimples, you have irritation on your skin, definitely this is going to work for you perfectly well. It is for all skin type. But the reason why I said if you have a dry skin, you should try as much as possible to avoid this is because it tightens the skin. So I would advise, if you have a dry skin, don't leave it for more than 3 minutes on your face or 2 minutes on your face. So if you have a sensitive skin, you have combination skin or any skin, you can let this sit on your face for as long as you want. And one thing that I love about this soap is that it cleanses your face and you just make it smooth, most especially that smoothness. You see, when you touch your face, you will feel it. So this is what I use on my face and it is good. And the next one here, that is the gold skin soap. The gold skin soap is also good. That is what I was using on my face before I opt into this Dudu Osun soap. That gold skin soap is so good. If you watch my video, there's a video that I made, affordable nighttime skincare routine. I show you guys what I use. So if you watch that video, you're going to see where I made measure of that gold skin. That gold skin was what I was using on my face before I got this Dudu Osun soap. The reason why I even went ahead to get this Dudu Osun soap is because I was having some breakouts. I was having pimples on my face, and I do always have this 1 or 2 pimples on my face. That is why when I talk about skincare, I'm talking about you not having a perfect skin, but you having that good glowing skin that you've been looking for. So that gold skin, I'll be using it for like, should be up to like 6 to 7 months now, and it is good. If not even up to a year, it is good on the skin. You can use it as your body wash and also as a face wash. It nourishes, it also hydrates the skin. So from the very first day you're going to start using that product, you're going to see a huge difference. It brightens your skin and also it gives it a little lighting. Irrespective of the type you are getting, I've used the green color and I've also used the gold color. It's just the same thing, it makes no difference. So you can get any of them and start using it. That product is not cost, it is sold for 500 naira. That depends on your location as well. That gold skin soap is also good. Try it out, guys. You are going to, in fact, stick to that forever. So the next facial soap on my list is Cottage Fresh Alata soap. That soap is also good, and I'll see someone that is using it and it is good on our skin. Most of the products that I share with you guys here on my channel, I don't just bring it because I want to say it or I want to do this thing. No, I try as much as possible to know people that are using it and how it works and how it sits on their skin, right? So this Cottage have 2 types. They have the one that is made in Ghana and they also have the one that is made in Nigeria, and I'll see a lot of people commenting more on the one that is used in Nigeria, that is the Nigeria products. So whenever you want to buy it, you're just going to check it. You're going to see the Nigeria made and you're also going to see the Ghana made. And one thing about the Ghana made is that they've spoiled it. You know, any soap that is good, trust, people are definitely going to try as much as possible to bring out their own fake part of it, right? Good, because it's a very good soap, it's a nice soap. Now that people believe that this soap is good, they've decided to start making fake. And one thing about this soap is that it is for all skin type. Even if you have a light skin, you have a dark skin, you have a caramel skin, you have sensitive skin, they've said the light, but I will just use my power bank. I thank God that I have ring lights that use power bank, so NEPA cannot disgrace me. They cannot. Yeah, we are back to track, right? So you guys have seen me, and guess what? One thing that I also did. So NEPA cannot disgrace me. So I have talked about the Cottage Fresh Atlanta soap. The next on my list is Asantee papaya soap. Asantee papaya soap is so good. If you can get it, get it. Asantee papaya soap, let me tell you what this does. It brightens the skin, it lightens the skin. It's a papaya soap. Are you getting it? I believe you guys know what papaya is, you know. So if you are allergic to papaya, because I know a lot of people out there are allergic to papaya, if you're allergic to papaya soap, then stay away from it. I have a lot of soaps that I'm going to be recommending here. Try as much as possible to go for the one that best suits your skin. The papaya soap brightens the skin, it lightens the skin, it makes your skin look soft, beautiful, smooth, and it also reduces dark spots on your skin. It also helps you to get rid of acne. This Asantee papaya soap is so good. So if you've not tried it, try it out. It's so good, and it's very cheap. It's not too expensive. I think this is sold for 300 to 500 naira depending on your location, you know. So this Asantee papaya soap is not for all skin type. For those that have sensitive skin, you have to be careful. If you leave it on your face too long, it's going to burn your face. Yes, you heard me right. If you leave it on your face too much, it's going to burn your face. But if you must use it because you want it to brighten your skin, you want it to lighten your skin, do not let it to sit long on your face, because it's gonna burn your skin. It's going to definitely burn your skin. The reason for that is because of the papaya. That is why I said, if you know you are allergic to papaya, if you listen to me very well, you're going to see where I made mention of it. I say if you are allergic to papaya, avoid it. But if you don't have a sensitive skin, you are good to go. Yeah, so we are still on this, we are not done. But if you are still watching me, you've not subscribed, do it to join the family. Click the subscribe button. It's not going to take much from you. And also leave your comment at the comment section. This will also help my algorithm. The next one on my list is the Nanu extract whitening soap. Now what you need to know, if you are dark in complexion, note this soap brightens the skin and it also lightens the skin. It brightens and it also lightens. So if you are dark in complexion and you want to lighten your skin, you are all good to go to use it. But if you don't want to lighten your skin, avoid it. It doesn't cause any damages on the skin, but one thing that this product does is that it lightens and it brightens. If you want to use this soap on your face, one thing I would advise is that you avoid using maybe your skincare, you avoid using face cream. If you have facial cream that contains lightening products and all that, you can avoid that. And one thing that I love about this soap is that it helps to get rid of dark spots and pimples as well. So the next one here on my list is the extract whitening soap. The extract whitening soap is for all skin type. One thing this soap does is that it helps you to get rid of stretch marks. So if you have a stretch mark, definitely opt in for this soap. It helps you to get rid of stretch marks, pimples, rashes, dark spot as well. So this soap is so effective for those of you that will be using it. If you've used this soap, let me know in the comment section. But if you've not used it, try it out. And it contains papaya as well. This might not be good for some, most especially if you want to use it in the morning. I will advise, if you want to use this soap, use it in the evening. Don't use it in the morning because it's going to burn your skin as well, if most especially if it's being heated by sun. So this product is meant for evening, not for morning, because it contains papaya. It contains papaya, right? So that is this why I'm suggesting, or I'm telling you to use it in the evening and not in the morning, so you can get another soap to use in the morning. Like for me, I have 3 different soap that I use for different time and different hours of the day. I have the one I use in the morning, I have the one I use in the evening. So you can also do that. They are so cheap, they're not expensive. Okay, don't say I did tell you, I told you. So the next on my list is Hawaii papaya calamansi. So I don't know if I'm pronouncing this well, but in case I'm not, just check the screen and check out the spelling out there. So this soap is good for lightening. It lightens the skin, it also brightens the skin. So this soap clears out dark spots and pimples. It also clears out sunburn. It also helps you to repair your skin. It helps you to repair those damages on your skin. So if you have any damages on your skin that is being caused by whatsoever, try out the soap. And this soap, because it contains papaya, it might not be good for some persons. This one is a papaya soap as well, but they have the carrot soap. If you want to opt in for the carrot, that is going to be good for your skin. But what you need to know is that they do same thing. It produces the same results, but different fruits, right? So if you don't want to go for papaya soap, you can go for the carrot soap. So that is one thing I love about this product. They have different types, so you can opt in for anyone. The next on my list here is the Likas papaya soap. This Likas papaya soap is good for lightening and brightening the skin as well. It's a papaya soap. if you must use this papaya soap in case maybe you have a sensitive skin. One thing you need to do is that don't allow it to sit on your skin for more than 2 to 3 minutes. That is one thing I'm going to be recommending, one thing that I'm going to be advising. And another thing you need to avoid if you must use it, if you have a sensitive skin, is that do not use it during the like morning, afternoon when it's sunny. Use it in the evening to avoid breakouts, to avoid damages, to avoid irritation. So that's why you need to avoid it. So try as much as possible to use this in the evening. If you have oily skin and if you also have an acne prone skin, so this is also good for you. Do well to opt in for this. It is so good and perfect for all skin types. So this soap is sold for 700 to 800 naira depending on your locations. For other soaps they are like 500, 300, 550, 400. So you can opt in for any of the soap and they are all good for all skin types. So the next one on my list here is the natural turmeric bath soap. This soap is good for both your face and your body as well. One thing about this natural turmeric bath soap is that it cleanses your skin, it reduces acne, it helps you to get rid of dark spots. If you have an acne prone skin, then definitely opt in for this. It is good for acne. It reduces acne. It also helps to get rid of dark spots. It also helps you to get rid of sunburn. It also helps you to get rid of eczema, stretch marks and all that. So if you have anything skin irritation on your skin, do well to make use of this soap. It is also good. Another one here is the Dove beauty bath soap. Dove beauty bath soap is also good for the skin. It hydrates your skin, it brightens your skin, it cleanses your skin, it makes your skin look bright, sharp, beautiful, radiant, and it also softens the skin. So this Dove bath soap is also good for all skin type, whether you have an oily skin, you have you know, sensitive skin, you have a combination skin. So irrespective of the skin that you possess, this soap is good for all skin type and all skin color. Definitely try out this Dove bath soap. It is good, it is good, it is good. If you want your skin to be soft, you want your skin to be moisturized, you want your skin to be clean, you want your skin to be bright, you want it to be light, you want all of those things, you want something that is going to reduce your acne, pimples, your hyperpigmentation, all manner of things that you have. And do it to also opt in for this Dove bath soap. It really helps a lot when we talk about skincare. So the last but not the least is the classic white soap. So personally, I have made use of this classic white soap for more than 2 to 3 years. Even while I was in school, that was the soap that I used. So I know a lot of people were admiring my skin, asking me what kind of soap I use on my skin. So that was the soap I used. This classic white soap is also good, but it is not common. That is just one thing. I find it difficult to get around my area. That is why I went in to start using the goat skin soap. And one thing I love about this soap is that it brightens the skin, it makes your skin fair, it softens your skin, it hydrates your skin, it nourishes your skin, it moisturizes your skin. There is nothing that this soap doesn't do, but it helps you to get rid of sunburn, discoloration, all manner of things on the skin. That soap is so good, but one thing is it is not common. So if you're going to look for it online, look for it online. And as at then, it was being sold from 115, 200. If you can find it around your area, opt into this product. It is good. One thing I love about the soap is that it's for all skin types, including my brothers, my sisters. They do use the same product that I used, and it sits well on their skin. It helps their skin look, you know, it glows your skin. So if you're looking forward in glowing your skin, brightening your skin, sharpen your skin, then go for it. It is good for our skin type. So guys, thank you. We come to the end of today's videos. And also, if you find this video interesting and helpful, do not forget to leave a comment at the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, do it to join our family by subscribing and turn on post notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Follow me on my Instagram handle, TikTok, and also on Facebook, and I'll be glad to be your friend. So if you want to get a shout out here on my YouTube channel, then do it to check the description section below to know how to get a shout out from me. If you also want us to collaborate and all that, so do it to message me on my Instagram handle, or also send me a request on my Gmail. Yeah, so thank you very much guys. See you on my next video. Bye.